Mix salt with detergent soap and thank me. It's wonderful. For our tip today, we will put 500 milliliters of detergent in a container. After that, add 2 tablespoons of salt and mix. Detergent is an indispensable item for this tip. In addition to cleaning also, for all the aroma that will leave in all items that use the mixture. This is the best secret to shine pots and pans. Remembering that it is good to always mix. As soon as you add a new ingredient, then we will also add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and stir. Again, if you prefer, you can even increase the amount of ingredients in this tip and store for future use. My friends always ask me the secret of this mixture. I do not spend more money on conventional products. Finally, we will put 500 milliliters of water. There will be no more greasy pots in your home. After you put this tip into practice, now when mixing one last time, we will have our tip ready for use. Only this amount is necessary for a thorough cleaning in your kitchen. To facilitate the application, I will put all the liquid in a bottle, equal to the detergent, also facilitating storage. Let's use a funnel to not waste our mixture. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Mariana Felix from Detroit. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I'm sure you have never used this mixture of ingredients, and it works perfectly. For a complete cleaning in your home, this mixture is impressive. Only on contact with fat can easily remove, and it is only necessary to rub for the complete removal of stains. Salt acting together with detergent and baking soda can directly remove fats easily. After rubbing, we already noticed the difference when we put our pan in running water. I'm sure you'll thank me for using this mixture. I appreciate you watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.